What are you doing?
Whoa, watch out for the car. Get up here.
Dad, can you please make me a snowball so
I sure can.
Well,
Not in the yellow.
thing?
You got it?
Here.
Don't back up too far. All right, you gonna throw it at me? Don't squeeze it, just throw it. Oh, it fell out of your hands. All right, let's take Rock for a walk. Oh, it got me. We gotta get you some gloves with fingers on them. Come on, Rock. Let's go explore. Ah!
Gotcha.
Oh, I see.
Ball hill.
I don't know, you're doing a good job keeping up. You're gonna be worn out after this, huh?
It's really hard for me to run.
Well, take your time. You don't need to run.
Hard.
All right, we're almost there. We almost made it.
Where?
To the sidewalk. There's Rock making some more yellow snow. What do you think about that?
Yeah. I see a hill.
You want to walk over and play on it? Is that what you want to do?
Can we play on it?
We don't have the sled right now. I think we should go to the big hill to go sledding.
I just like to play on it.
Yeah, we'll go to the big hill after a little bit. Here, you can roll down this hill. Don't fall. Car coming, stop. Okay, let's go. Roll, you gotta roll. Roll. Lay on your side and roll. And go. There you go. Go for it. You're a goofball. Alright, watch out for cars. You good? Well, he likes you. Wanna climb up that hill? Yeah, you can go. Come on. You can go wherever you want. All right, so let's stand at the top of this hill and see what we see. Climb, climb. All right, where do you want to go?
Right here, and then...
Wait, no, how about... Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead. Roll down the hill, you crazy. Go, Cooper, go. Go, Cooper, go. Stop. There's a car coming. Oof, breeze.
Now?
Yes, go. Oh, you got your face in it. Oh, no. All right, let's walk down some. Whoa, big bump there. Can you make it all the way over this? Oh, you got a snowball? Who you gonna throw that at? I wonder. Who do you throw snowballs at? Go ahead, go for it. Go for it. You gonna throw it at me? Oh, got me. You wanna climb over this little hill? Oh, got me. Oh, get up.
Push up, push.
Come on, let's go. Yeah.
I need to go play at it.
Well, cool.
Walk us back to dog place.
What?
I can play there.
Do you need to take a break?
No. I need to. I'll play with you.
All right. Come on. You gotta keep up, buddy. Hey, we can do that over here. Come on. Come on. All right.
Hey, look. Wait.
Wow, he's excited.
Ah!
What's going on here? What's going on here?
I'm trying to throw the snowball at dog.
Oh, well, don't throw snowballs at dogs. You can throw to Dad. All right.
Let's go to that dog. Have you been up here?
Well, that's for dogs to climb up. You can try, but you might. No, Rocky won't do that. He's too old. Yeah, climb up. Just be ready to do. Here, let's see if it goes down. Oh, can you stand up on it? Go ahead, you're good. Nah, you wanna jump off the side?
Nope.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to climb over here.
All right.
You let go.
You want me to let go?
Yep.
It's gonna go forward.
That's okay.
All right, ready? Oh, and he fell off. Whoa.
Dad, do it again.
What?
Please.
It's supposed to be a dog toy.
What's your dog toy?
What's in my hand? Missed you. Ah, you can throw it back if you want. Why don't you use the one that I made, buddy? Because your glove, we gotta get you better gloves. Oh, almost got me. Ah!
Gotcha. Dad.
Yes. Cooper, you can go play on.
Down again.
Do you want to go play on the slide? Do you want to go play on the slide?
I want to go swinging.
Swinging?
Yeah.
We can do that.
Can we push it down?
Get up there. Doing good. Ready? Here, why don't you sit on your butt?
Buddy!
Didn't work hard. Can you get up there? You need a little help. All right, I'm gonna have to hold it because I can't really. I gotta hold on to Rocky.
Oh.
Here, try it one time. Here. You on? You on? You got it?
Daddy, please twist it around.
No, I'm gonna get you started. We're swinging. I'll do my best.
Higher, Dad.
I'm working on it.
Higher. Higher. Higher.
Well, use your legs to help. Use your legs to help. Use your legs to help, dude.
Dad. Dad.
What's going on? You like it or no?
Dad. Dad, push me again. Push me again. Push me again.
Use your legs. Use your legs. In.
Push me again. Push me again. Push me again. Push me again. Push me again.
All right, you swing for a minute. Let me keep rocking. Have you done a slide in the snow before?
What?
Have you done a slide in the snow before?
No.
Well, now's a good time.
It'll be really fun.
Yeah, go for it.
Huh. Really fast.
You cold, Rock? The snow stopped you. Do you want to go take Rock home and we'll get your four-wheeler out?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's cut across here. Cut across here. Are you coming with us?
Dad, look up! There's a bird!
Ah! Looking up for the bird. I don't see a bird. Oh no! You tricked me.
Dad, up! There's a bird!
Where, in this tree? Oh, you got me again. All right.
Look up! There's a bird! Up! There's a bird!
Up in the sun? No? Over here? Oh, I see you coming.
Now up, down the motor.
Oh, you got me. All right, so get your four-wheeler, dude. Come on. Come on. Here, Rock. Here, buddy. Come on, Rock's waiting for you, big guy.
What?
Rock's waiting for you. Come on.
Well, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, you better drop that snowball so you can use both hands.
I'm gonna get.
Come on. You gotta climb over, dude. What are you thinking? You stuck now. Climb. Keep going. Nice. Whoa.
Oh.
Do you need help?